way that I wanna live, my prerogative. Do what I wanna do. Can't tell me what to do. Cause what I'm doing for you. Don't get me wrong, I'm really not suit. Ego trips is not my thing. All these strange relationships really get me down. See nothing wrong, spread my chum around, sing it. Everybody talking all this stuff about me. Why don't they just let me live? I don't need permission, make my own decisions. That's my prerogative. It's my prerogative. Do just wanna do. Live my life. Yeah, baby. Doing this just for you. Mark the Shark is doing it just for you. Why? This is how you feel when you had a good session. Especially a successful short session, guys. Just feel good when you get your hands on some gold. People say, don't be trying to look for landmarks. Don't be trying to find my spot now, man. Do what I want to do. Me and you. Together, together. Maybe we can fish it together, baby. All this stuff about me. Why don't they just let me fish?